At Seidel, we produce finest design packaging for cosmetic, pharma and longevity. We live craftsmanship 21st century. That means passion of detail, highest quality, sustainable products, sustainable processes, numerous innovation at a reasonable cost. We use very advanced technology. In this video, we show you how this is translated into high-tech logistics, which we realized with some great partners.
What makes this project for us special is the interaction with other trade. For example, with the help of the VTA 50/50 interface, we were able to integrate our mobile robot systems in the overall control system from Seidel.
NAiSE provides transparent, flexible and simple intralogistics. Solutions and technologies like automated conveyor belts, automated forklifts, cleaning robots or localization systems are seamlessly integrated into our central platform. This way we avoid any kind of isolated process. All the challenging requirements in this project could be solved efficiently and fast, together with Seidel, Jungheinrich, Kärcher and Quuppa. We could make the material flow at Seidel plant even more efficient and flexible in a sustainable way.
Quuppa is the leader in real-time location services and we work in this project with great partners like NAiSE. And for us it's very impressive to see how an end customer like Seidel has been able to really walk the talk of moving towards digitalization, creating a digital representation of the environment and really leveraging of knowing real time where all of his assets are within the large factories that they are managing.
At Seidel, we are seeing a clear trend toward automation. As Kärcher, we support this transition with our fully autonomous scrubber dryer KIRA B50. Powered by the master control NAiSE, our KIRA and Jungheinrich mobile robots work in perfect sync. This enables floor cleaning and material flow to operate flawlessly in parallel. Beyond that, KIRA's optimal cleaning performance improves the air quality and protects, therefore, the sensors of other robots from contamination. This ensures the perfect performance across the entire fleet.
This project shows how joint forces from different companies can deliver extraordinary results.